a nice day at our beach. Well, it was a nice day. We've got visitors. Carter's here with Auntie Kimmy.
Say hi.
He's been quite daring. Thought he was going to go for a swim. And somebody's ready to keep moving along the beach, keep going on our walk. It's July, but it doesn't feel like it. Come with us on our walk.